Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we will solve the problems based on tangent and normal of a curve in differentiation. Actually we solved tangent and normal in terms of straight lines, right? But now in differentiation how we will take tangent and normal of a curve. Okay, so for that first what is meant by tangent? So observe, let P be a point on the curve. This is your curve and P is a point on the curve. Okay, and this Q is neighboring point to this P. Q is a neighboring point to P on the curve only. And if we take the line through PQ, it is called secant, right? So the limiting position of this secant is called the tangent. Once again, this is one curve. On this curve, P is one point, right? Q is its neighboring point on the curve. Okay, so if we join P and Q, we'll get one line that is called secant. This secant line PQ's limiting position as Q moves nearer to P is called the tangent. That means this is your secant PQ. Then Q comes here, your line PQ will be here. Next Q comes here, your line PQ will be here. Next Q comes here, your line PQ will be here. So at the end P and Q coincides. So that is the limiting position of this secant PQ. That line is called the tangent. Okay, so this is the tangent PQ's, right? The secant PQ's limiting position as Q moves nearer to P. Q comes here. So this is your joining Q and P. Next Q comes here. This is your secant. Next this Q comes here. This is. Next Q comes here. This is the line. PQ line. Right. That is the limiting position of PQ when Q moves nearer to P along the curve is called the tangent of the curve. Okay. So this is the tangent of the curve, and how we can take the slope of the tangent. So we can take dy by dx is slope, right? Slope of the tangent. We can take dy by this curve is nothing but y is equal to f of x. Then how we can take the slope of that tangent means we are in derivatives, isn't it? So with respect to derivatives, what is the slope means dy by dx is slope of tangent. Okay, so this is your slope of the tangent. Okay, next equation of the tangent. How we will write the equation of the tangent at the point P x1 y1 to y is equal to f of x is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, so next the perpendicular line to tangent is called normal to curve. The perpendicular line, this is your tangent, right? So suppose this is your curve and here we are having the tangent. Tangent in simple form, the line which touch the curve at one point is called the tangent. If we take the perpendicular line to this tangent, that is called the normal. Okay, so limiting position of the secant PQ is called the tangent and the line perpendicular to tangent is called the normal. Okay, so and equation of the normal at P x1 y1 to y is equal to f of x is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Okay, so we got the equation of the tangent, right, at the point P x1 y1 with respect to the curve, and equation of the normal at the point, same point is P x1 y1 to the curve is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1, where what is your m? Here m is equal to dy by dx, slope of the curve, right? So here also your m is nothing but dy by dx. Okay, so this is the geometrical interpretation of derivative. Okay, now we will solve some example problems based on this tangent and normal. So read the first question. First question is given to you. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to 5x to the power of 4 at 1, 5. Point is given to you. Curve is given to you. We have to find the equation of the tangent and normal of that curve at that point. Okay. So come on. First write down given curve equation is. Given curve equation is. What is your given curve equation? Y is equal to 5x to the power of 4. Right. So point is also given to us. What is that point? 1, 5. And P x1 y1 point is equal to 1, 5. Okay, so now we have to write the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal to the curve at that point by using these formulas. If you observe these formulas, we need x1 value, y1 value, m value. Here also x1 value, y1 value, m value, where m is nothing but dy by dx. That means we need dy by dx. So differentiating the curve with respect to x on both sides, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Okay, then what happens? It is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 5x to the power of 4. Okay, so is equal to 5 into d by dx of x to the power of 4. Constant, whenever in a derivative constant is there along with the function, we will write that constant outside. So is equal to 5 into 4x cube, x to the power of n form, d by dx of x to the power of n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. So is equal to, what is it? It is 20x cube. So now find out the slope, right? Slope is equal to, what is that? M is equal to dy by dx at which point? At 1, 5. So dy by dx is 20x cube, right? 20 into, in x place, x coordinate, that is 1 cube is equal to 20. Okay, now you find out equation of the tangent. So how we will find equation of tangent is equal to, what is the formula? Is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, so we consider the point this as x1, this as y1. So come on, y minus y1 is 5 is equal to, your m is 20. 20 into x minus x1 value is 1. Okay, so it is 5, y minus 5 is equal to 20x minus 20. Okay, so it is a line equation, first x term, then y term, then constant term. So send this value the other side. What happens? 20x, send y that side, minus y, minus 20 is there, and plus 5 is equal to 0. So its equation is 20x minus 5 minus 15 is equal to 0 is the equation of tangent, right? Next you take equation of normal, right? What is the formula? Equation of normal. Marks will be there for formula. First you have to write the formula, then you have to substitute, right? Equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Okay, so it is y minus y1, you know it, y1 value is 5 is equal to minus 1 by m, we got it as 20, x minus 1. So 20 comes this side. 20 into y minus 5 is equal to minus x minus of minus plus 1. So come on, generally first x term, then y term, then constant term. So it is 20y minus 25 is 100 is equal to minus x plus 1. Bring this side, so that first term should be positive. So minus x, always in mathematics first term should be positive, and in line equation first term should be x term, right? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general line equation. Whenever line is there, first x term should be there, y term should be there, constant, and first term should be always positive. That's why I have taken this minus x to this side, right? So it is x plus 20y minus 100 minus 1 is equal to 0. So finally it is x plus 20y minus 101 is equal to 0. This is your equation of the normal. Okay, so first question over. So what is the procedure? First you take the curve equation, right? Then one point also will be given to you in the equation. We have to find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal, right? So if you observe, these are the two formulas. So we need x1 value, y1 value, m value to write these two equations. Equations of the tangent, equation of normal. So where m is dy by dx at that point. M is nothing but slope of the curve at that point. Okay, so that's why we have to find m value. How we will get m value? M is equal to dy by dx of the curve at that point. So we need dy by dx. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. You will get your dy by dx. Once you got it, you find out your m, substitute the point in it, you will get your m. Once we got m, we can easily write the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. Okay, 4 marks question. So from this topic you are having how many marks? 1 7 marks question, 1 4 marks question. Okay, so now come to the second question. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y to the power of 4 is equal to ax cube at the point. So first, given curve equation is, what is your curve equation? Y to the power of 4 is equal to ax cube. So same thing, differentiating with respect to x, right? So differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Okay, so then what happens? It is 4 into y to the power of 4 minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to, here constant outside, into d by dx of x cube. Okay, so this is 4y cube dy by dx is equal to a into 3x square. So 3ax square. We want dy by dx. Why we want dy by dx? With that we can find the slope m value, right? So come on, we want dy by dx, that means any value along with the dy by dx, you send that value the other side. 3ax square by 4y cube. Okay, now you find your m. What is m? M at the point, given point. What is the given point? A comma A. We have to find m is slope. Slope of any curve is equal to dy by dx at the given point. So in x place A, in y place A, you have to take 3a into a square by 4 into a cube. So is equal to, it is 3 by 4, that is your m value. Okay, once we got m value, we can find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. Okay, so how we will write equation of the tangent? So you know the formula. What is that? Equation of tangent is equal to, What is it? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y1, x1, right, are nothing but the coordinates of the given point a comma a is given to you. So y minus a is equal to, what is m? It is 3 by 4 into x minus a. So 4 comes this side, 4 into y minus a is equal to 3 into x minus a. Okay, so it is 4y minus 4a is equal to 3x minus 3a. So line equation, I said first x term should come, then y term, right, then constant term, and x term should be positive. This side it is positive. Send these values that side. So it is 3x, send y term that side, minus 4y, minus 3a already is there. Send this, minus 4a that side, plus 4a is equal to 0. So what happens to your value? It is 3x minus 4y plus a is equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent. Now you take equation of normal, right? So how we will take equation of normal? Equation of normal formula is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So is equal to y minus a is equal to minus 1 by 3 by 4. It will be reverses and it is minus 4 by 3 into x minus a. Okay, so 3 comes this side, 3 into y minus a is equal to minus 4 into x minus a, implies, right, open the brackets, 3y minus 3a is equal to minus 4x plus 4a, minus of minus plus. So again it is nothing but a tangent and normal, both are nothing but line equations. So first x term, then y term, then constant term. Here your x term is negative, so bring this side, right. So at the end it is 4x plus 3y minus 3a, bring that value also, minus 4a is equal to 0, implies it is 4x plus 3y minus 7a is equal to 0 is the equation of the normal. Okay, so this is regarding your tangent and normal. So once again the definition of a tangent is nothing but the limiting position of the secant line PQ as Q moves towards P, right, on the curve is called the tangent. That means this is your secant PQ, then Q moves nearer to P, then this is your line, right, PQ. Next Q comes here, then this is your line, then Q comes here, then this is your line, then Q coincides with P, then this is the line. That is called the tangent, limiting position of the secant, right, when the point Q moves closer to the point P on the curve is called the tangent, and any line perpendicular to tangent is called the normal equation. So equation of the tangent formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, and equation of the normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1, and we did 2 problems based on these formulas. In doing the problem also, the procedure is first you find out the dy by dx, just differentiate the given curve and try to get your dy by dx. Then find your m. M is nothing but slope of the curve, right, at the given point. So m is dy by dx at the given point. Once you got your m, already x1 y1 is given in the question. So take the formula of equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. Simple problems, easy problems, you can easily score out of marks from this topic. Practice these problems perfectly. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.